Timing is everything, particularly in the world of risk management. And all too often, risks remain undiscovered or only uncovered too late. If customers order your products or services on credit, this condition exposes you to real financial risk over the time between delivery and payment. Bad debt puts an enormous burden on your company's liquidity, and in the worst case, can also lead to insolvency. That's why our effective risk management solutions help you prepare in advance. Our real-time master data, extensive credit information, and credit recommendations help you make smart decisions with confidence. Our information services equip you with a monitoring system, flagging those who can pay for your products and services on time and those who might default on their payment. This minimizes your credit risk and helps you save on additional costs, such as issuing payment warnings and dealing with debt collectors. The Bisnode D&B database offers global coverage of companies, including all associated credit checks and a full spectrum of strategies and insights over the entire order-to-cash process. Don't delay. Plan now for increased liquidity and profitability of your company with our efficient risk management solutions. Find out more today.